In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable persona for AI characters in Character.ai. Open your web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type Character.ai and press Enter. In the results, click the official Character.ai website to open the homepage. Choose the character you want to chat with. Inside the chat window, look to the upper right corner and click the three dots to open the options menu. From that menu, select Persona. This is where you define how you present yourself to characters across your chats, so the AI can use that context to shape its replies. You'll see fields to set up a new persona. Start with a display name. Keep it short, easy to recognize, and free of personal details. Next, add a background. Think of this as a brief bio that gives helpful context. 1 to 3 sentences is plenty. Mention your general role or interests and the style of conversation you prefer, like strategic discussions, creative brainstorming, or casual chat. Clear, neutral wording keeps it flexible across different characters. When you're satisfied, click Save and wait for confirmation. After it's saved, return to the character you want to chat with. If you aren't already in that conversation, navigate back to it from your recent chats or search for it again. Back in the chat, click the three dots in the upper right corner once more. Choose Persona again, and this time select the persona you just created. That applies your profile to the current conversation, letting the AI reference your display name and background as it responds. If you don't see the persona option, make sure you're signed in and that you opened the menu from within an active chat. You can switch personas at any time using the same steps, which is handy if you keep different profiles for different tasks. Keep your background evergreen and avoid sensitive details so it works safely across many chats, and refine it later if you want the AI to lean more formal, playful, or technical. And that's all there is to it. You've created a persona, saved it, and applied it to a character, so you can start chatting and notice how responses align more closely with the profile you set.